purchase a PC, the decision you make affects not just your wallet, the world's environment too. It takes a lot of energy, water, and raw materials to make a PC. Some scientists estimate more than 2/3 of the environmental footprint of a PC comes from its manufacture rather than its use. Modern electronics use many raw materials. A recent study showed that a mobile phone includes number elements. Some, such as rare earth elements, come from places with few environmental laws and are considered strategically important by governments. For example, without example, we would have no touchscreens. The amount of electricity used by phones and PCs varies according to how the hardware, the operating system, and the applications are designed. The purchase and configuration decisions you make impact the amount of power your device uses and, thus, how much you pay to run it. When you no longer want your electrical device, the decisions you make about disposing of it can also impact not just your wallet, but the health of the planet. Some of the chemicals used in electronic devices can be released during the recycling process, harming workers, leaching into landfills, and polluting the local water supply. These toxic chemicals include arsenic, lead, and flame retardants. Get rid of your electronics the wrong way, and unscrupulous people may get hold of your personal or company data on the hard drive, leading to identity theft or the sale of proprietary data to competitors. This could cost you many, many times more than the original price of the device. The good news is there are plenty of ways to make better choices when buying, using, and disposing of electronics that can help you, help your wallet, and help the planet. So what choices should you consider? Government agencies, the electronics industry, and others have created standards to help guide you in the eco-friendly purchase and disposal of electronic devices. Some standards apply in single countries, others in many countries. One important standard is EP, the Electronic Product Environmental Assessment Tool. PC purchasers worldwide can use it to identify green products that meet both their needs and those of the environment. Hundreds of organizations in dozens of countries rely on EP. In 2011, 25% of new PCs sold met the EP standard. Many organizations require that the PCs they buy meet EPEAT standards. They have a lot of choice, more than 2,300 computer products from 46 manufacturers. EPEAT evaluates both the PC and the organization that made it on 8 categories of criteria. Manufacturers and PCs that exceed the basic criteria can achieve silver or gold EPEAT certification. EPEAT certified products must meet ENERGY STAR standards, which recognize energy-efficient electrical devices. To achieve ENERGY STAR certification, PC energy use must be at least 80% efficient, with no more than 20% of energy use wasted as heat. Electrical devices with operating systems, like PCs, often have configuration options that can be used to modify their power consumption. For example, a Windows PC can be configured to turn off the screen and hard disk when they've been inactive for specified periods of time. You can also reduce power consumption by using tools that identify which apps consume the most computer resources and then modifying the operation of those apps. When disposing of your old electronics, you should look for a certified refurbisher recycler. The most common multi-country certifications are R2, E-Stewards, and Wheelabex. These standards all require independent audits to confirm that electronics are reused where possible or recycled in a way that reduces any risk to their staff and the environment. Ultimately, they encourage recycling so the old devices can be broken down to make raw materials for manufacturing new devices. They also require the refurbisher recycler to wipe all data from the device. You can search online directories to find EPEAT devices or certified recycling organizations. Use this information to influence your organization's purchasing procedures and measurements of environmental impact. For example, in your tender and procurement documents, you can require new PCs to be EPEAT certified. You can encourage or require people to use the power-saving features of their PCs and other electrical devices. You can require organizations taking your old electronic devices to be certified to standards like R2, E-Stewards, and Wheelabex. The financial impact of your green activities can be estimated and publicized in your annual reporting. EPEAT have a calculator that estimates the benefits of buying an EPEAT PC instead of a traditional PC. This shows things like power saved in a table that's easy for you to add to reports. The University of Tennessee has produced a calculator into which you can enter details of your recycled and reused PCs and receive an estimate of the environmental benefits of your actions. Using these tools, you can demonstrate both environmental and financial savings. All of this can be found in the links section on our website. Now, we invite you to take our short multiple choice test. You could earn your own and then tell others.